The screen is frozen. The price tickers have stopped moving. You realize with a sinking feeling that your trading platform is completely dead. That little icon in the corner is glowing red. The words "no connection" are mocking you while the market continues to shift without your input. It is one of those moments where you feel totally helpless. You should know that this is a common hurdle. Almost every trader faces it at some point. Most of the time, it is not a sign of a major disaster. It is just a simple communication breakdown between your device and the broker. Your first move should always be to investigate the path of the data itself. Check your router immediately. Look at your mobile signal strength. If you are on a public network, then the software might struggle. It needs a constant stream of information to work properly. Switch your phone or tablet over to cellular data right away. See if the connection reestablishes itself. It is amazing how often a simple network swap can jumpstart the whole process. If the internet is solid, then you need to dive into the account settings within the tool. Every broker uses specific servers to handle their traffic. If you are pointed at the wrong one, then you are knocking on a door that does not exist. Go into your login area. Verify that the server name matches your original account email exactly. Sometimes servers are retired. Sometimes they are renamed. If you are using an old link, then the app will never find its way home. If everything there looks correct, then you should try a digital cold shower. Shut the app down completely. Do not just let it hang out in your recent apps list. Swipe it away. Make sure it is totally stopped before you launch it again. This forces the software to reinitialize every single connection point from scratch. It is a quick way to clear up small errors. You should also take a moment to look at your software version. Updates are not just for new features. They are often vital patches for connectivity. If you are running an old version, then you might be using outdated protocols. The broker might not support them anymore. Keeping your trading tool updated is like keeping your car serviced. It prevents you from breaking down on the highway. If you have gone through the checklist and you are still staring at a dead screen, then it is time for a full reinstall. This sounds like a lot of work. In reality, it is often the fastest way to solve a deep-rooted problem. Delete the app. Clear the cache if your device allows it. Then go back to the official store and grab a fresh copy. This ensures that any corrupted data files are gone for good. When you log back in, you will usually see those green bars return. The prices will start flickering again. Being a trader means being your own tech support sometimes. You have to stay calm. Work through the steps logically. Get back to the actual business of reading the markets. Having a reliable connection is the foundation of everything you do. Take these maintenance steps seriously. You will spend less time troubleshooting and more time actually trading. These tools are complex pieces of software. They rely on a perfect chain of communication. One broken link will bring your entire workflow to a halt. By checking your data and your server and your version, you are securing your own digital infrastructure. It takes just a few minutes of your time. It saves hours of frustration later on. Do not let a technical glitch stand between you and your goals. Take control of your setup. Keep those charts moving. Never miss another opportunity because of a simple setting error.